Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Code Like Coder. In this video, we are going to learn about the string data type. It is very important data type in all the programming language. So string data type is nothing but sequence of character written within a single, double or triple quotes. Triple quotes is nothing but a string. So, any sequence of character which is wrapped with a single, double or triple quote is nothing but a string. So I am just giving one example here. Suppose I am writing Python in a single quote. So this is also treated as a string. If I am writing within double quote, then this also treated as a string. If I am writing in triple quote, it is also treated as a string. Even we can write single triple quote also like this. This also treated as a string. Let me go to Python console and there let me try with the same here. So I am creating one reference variable and I am printing Python. So here is nothing but it is showing the output. If I am going to print type of s, it will show the string type. If I am going to print inside a double quote, okay, here, and I am printing type of a, so it will show it is a string type. Same thing if I am going to print in a triple quote. Suppose Python is very easy. So in this way, if I'm printing, okay, I'm not closing all the bracket. Okay, let me create one more time. Yes, and here I am trying, if I am trying to check the type of B, it is showing string type. Okay, awesome. So here we got to know if anything written any sequence of character, if it is written within a single, double or triple quote, we can call this thing as a string data type. So this is all about the like a declaration part of a string. The point is how we can access the string. So suppose I am creating one variable and I am writing in one single code and the string is Python is very easy. Okay. So to access the things, uh, Python is supporting both positive index and negative index. So now point is what is positive index and what is negative index. So here comes to this here. So I have already written Python is very easy language. Positive index, that means left to right. Suppose in P it will start from 0 and it will go 1 2 3 like that. All are in positive index and direction is from left to right. And negative index, it is starting from -1 -2 -3 and the direction is right to left. Clear this point? Positive index, the starting is 0 and direction is left to right. Negative index, starting is -1 and direction is right to left. So comes to here in console, I'm writing same value here. Okay, so this is nothing but okay. So now I want to access is equals to 0. So what will be the output? It will show the index position 0. Here just come to this figure. this is the index position. Index is 0 and the value is p. So it will show the string data type. Okay, the p. And same also here, if I am writing 1, then it will show y, p, then y. If I am writing age, then just count here 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so yes, if I am writing 3, then it will show yes. So this is all about positive index. So comes to negative index. If I am writing -1, then it will show which one? It will show y. From the last right to left it will move. Okay, so it will show y. If I am writing, -5, then which one will come? Comes to here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So it will give the empty blank. It will give the blank value. That means not empty space value. So this is all about the indexing part. So we know the index, positive index, starting value is 0 and direction direction is left to right. And in negative index, starting value is -1 and direction is right to left. Okay, this is all about the string, how we are declaring a string. We have three ways to declare a string. We can write within a single quote, we can write within a double quote, or we can write within a triple quote as well. And how we can access the string? We can access through positive index and negative index. Positive index is nothing but the first position, like first value is in positive index, first value is 0, then 2, like that it will move, and direction is left to right. And similarly the negative index, the starting value is -1, starting value is -1, -2, -3, like that, and its value, like its direction is right to left. Okay, so this is all about the string part, and in upcoming video we'll learn more concept in the string. So till now stay with me, support my channel, like, share and subscribe to my channel, so that I will get some motivation from your side and I will give more effort to create more video. Thank you, stay with me.